Science Experiment, Magical Color-Changing Flowers. At Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, our baby shark tank had an incredibly exciting science lesson today, where pure white flowers magically transformed into colorful rainbows right before their eyes. The children were guided step by step, mixing colored water, carefully dropping colors into cups, then gently placing white flowers into the liquid. After a short time, something amazing began to happen. Baby Shamy was extremely excited. Her bright round eyes focused on every tiny change in the petals. She kept shouting joyfully, "The flower is changing color, teacher." Baby Ruby worked gently and carefully, adding drops of color into the water. She stayed very focused and kept her workspace neat and tidy. Baby Masy loved choosing her favorite colors. She showed creativity by mixing colors, creating unique shades that made her flower truly special. Baby Lucky was cheerful and energetic, constantly asking, "Why does the flower change color?" He not only enjoyed the activity, but also learned about how plants absorb water through their stems.